Every student has a dream, but sometimes the dream they follow is not their own. Sometimes it is shaped by hopes, fears, and expectations of the people they love the most.
Alam niyo ba yung pakiramdam na parang exam araw-araw kahit wala namang test? Ganon ang buhay ko. Every time I go home, the first question is always, anong score mo? Hindi. Kumain ka na ba? Hindi rin. Okay ka lang ba? Just, anong score mo? Les, kailangan mo maging number 1, pero minsan, gusto ko lang din maging normal na estudyante.
My parents always says that, Gwen, you must always be the best. And I tried. I really tried. Top grades, perfect attendance, awards. Pero alam niyo yung nakakatawa? Even when you get 98, they still ask, bakit hindi 100? Les, napapagod ka rin ba?
Okay, confession time. Ayoko maging engineering. Gusto ko maging artist pero sa bahay. Ibang story. Say, walang pera sa drawing. Pero bakit dito ako masaya? Gab, paano hindi nila maintindihan?
Say, alam mo ba kung ano sinabi sa akin ng parents ko? Sabi nila, anak, do your best, pero huwag mong kalimutan maging masaya. Hindi ko agad naisip yun. Kasi akala ko, kailangan ko rin maging perfecto. Pero ang kailangan lang natin ay may mga taong magsabi na okay lang magkamali.
Hindi ako masyadong nagsasalita sa class. Kala ng mga tao, shy lang ako. Pero, ang totoo, takot lang ako magkamali. Kasi, sa bahay, mistake are not allowed. Cliff, paano ka laging positive?
Hindi naman ako laging positive. Pero I try. Kasi alam ko, lahat naman tayo may pinagdadaanan. Si Cyrus, confused. Si Gwen, exhausted. Si Leslie, pressured. And me, natatakot din ako minsan. Pero Justin, alam mo, hindi ka nag-iisa.
Alam niyo ba kung ano napapansin ko sa atin? Lahat tayo may dalang pressure. From grades, from parents, from expectations. Minsan, sarili pa natin ang kalaban. Pero kung iisipin, hindi ba tayo classmates, hindi competitors? Pagod na akong maging perfect.
Pagod na ako maging enough.
Gusto ko lang sundin ang pangarap ko.
At gusto kong suportahan kayo.
Natatakot ako mag-fail.
Pero may pag-asa pa rin.
Pero pwede tayo magtulungan.
Behind good grades and quiet smiles are stories no one sees. Stories of pressure, sacrifice, and the constant fear of not being enough. Because sometimes the hardest thing for a student is not the lesson in school, but the expectations waiting at home. Leslie is experiencing strong academic pressure from her family. In their home, grades are always the main focus, which makes her feel like she constantly needs to prove herself. Because of this, she felt stressed and tired from trying to maintain the highest performance in school. Deep inside, Leslie just wants to live a normal student. Gwyneth's problem is constant expectation to be perfect. Even though she works very hard and already achieved high grades and awards, she still feels that her efforts are not fully appreciated. Cyrus is struggling with choosing between his passion and his parents' plans for him. He enjoys arts and feels happy when he draws, but his parents want to pursue a more practical career. Gab's situation is different because her parents encourage her to do well while still valuing her happiness. Justin deals with fear and lack of confidence because he grew up in a very strict environment, while Clifford tries to stay encouraging and optimistic even though he also experiences struggles. Dinah noticed that many of her classmates are dealing with different kinds of pressure, whether from family expectations, school performance, or their own personal standards.
Les, ano to? Ba't bumababa ang grades mo? Ano bang pinagagawa mo sa school, ha? Ba't bumababa ang grades mo?
Madali lang sabihin para sa kanila yun. Hindi naman nila alam kung anong pinagdadaanan ko.
Ano pang silbi nito kung hindi naman nila na-appreciate yung mga pinaghihirapan ko?